natin. Punta natin daily combo. Punta muna tayo dito sa markets. Okay. First combo. Na tokenomics expert, BSDIC team. Upgrade ta sa BSDIC team. Masa man tong BSDIC team dali. Sa makita ang BSDIC team dali. BSDIC dali. BSDIC team. BSDIC. Ay, hindi ko makita yung BSDIC dito guys. Sana yun. BSDIC ito pala. So, need natin ng BSDIC team ng level 3. Ayan. Okay. And then, tokenomics. Okay, second combo yan guys. Okay, next. Second combo. Third combo. Okay, yan ang first, second, KYB Economics, and Dante Specials. TGB leaders, yan. Okay, take price. Ayan, I'm the CEO now. Good job, CEO. Yes. Okay, loading. Ayan, nag-loading na siya guys. And then, ayan na. Kuha ko na yung aking daily combo. Okay, and then, yan. KYB, TG Leaders, and Tokenomics Expert. Okay. Thank you for watching.